What's up, YouTube? Travo Thompson here again, Appalachian RC, F86 Sabre. Second flight of that, maybe third flight. I lost count, guys, but anyway, like before, we're up here at the beautiful North Lake. A little bit of traffic's clearing out, so it's making it a little bit easier to fly, so. Oh, yeah. Oh. Safe is working. I love safe. It's good to have. It is. It is. Oh. All right, guys. Take off flaps, and let's rock and roll. Was a bumpy one. It was. Out of the flaps. Try to get down here where I can get a good spot where we can see it. I'm still trying to learn how to video. Here we go, full blast, guys. I think it just when it goes by, no motor. Listen, hey guys, I'll get over here see if we can hear it. That thing sounds cool. Boy, 3 minutes goes by quick. Another car coming, dang it. Well, that's part of it. Well, let me land right quick, guys. I think they got a boat gonna put it in. Oh yeah, not bad, guys, not bad. Alright guys, I'll give y'all, well, we was done anyway. I only had 33 seconds left, so there you have it, guys. F86 from Marrows, guys. It's a fun plane. So if you like, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Y'all out there have a good one. God bless and safe flying.